Hey guys, welcome to another D4 Guns video. Today we're taking a look at a Ruger P90. As you can see, it's the all original hard case. Even the case is in good condition. Info there. Let's take a look at the gun. This particular model still has the Ruger protective plastic on it, which, as you can see, helped to stay in excellent condition. This is a stainless steel Ruger P90 in 45 ACP. Got the caliber and serial number there. As you can see as well, comes with one and two magazines, and also has a little Ruger lock, and comes with the original owner's manual, which is still in great condition itself. I'll show you there. This particular Ruger was manufactured in 1997 and great condition for that amount of time. I also wanted to show you the bore here. Still nice and shiny. So all around excellent condition. And slide still functions nice and smoothly. If you're interested in this gun or any of our others, check them out at d4guns.com.